you got a hood light for your car. So when you open up your hood, your light comes on, you close your hood, your light goes off. Got a little ball bearing in there that turns it on and off, makes contact, breaks contact. Well, this one doesn't work, and we're going to find out why, or try to find out why. Got my power supply over here set on just 10 volts. Your car's, usually 12 volts, but I just got this set on 10 volts. I'm just going to connect my my negative to one lead in there. There's two connections in there. Just negative on one, positive on the other. And I make and break the connection, and nothing happens. And you can see this is my my voltage coming in. Got 10 volts coming in, and I'm tipping this back and forth to make and break but the light doesn't come on. So I'm not thinking it's a burnt out light. Could be as simple as a burnt out light, but probably not. I don't know. Alright, so let's check it out. Let's get rid of the meter. Let's get rid of these. Let's get this thing open, because there's little tiny clips on the inside here, and we got to pop this open. I noticed I was looking and this one's broke off on this corner, but I was trying to get this open when I first got it, but it's kind of a pain in the butt. You kind of got to use like 2 screwdrivers at the same time. I'm trying not to break the little clips in there, because this thing seems like it's pretty old. Like the plastic is drying out on it or something, those little things right there. It looks like that one right there is already broke off, so I was just trying not to break off any more of them. We got one more. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so there's only three good ones left on there. But oh, we definitely got some corrosion going on in there. That could have something to do with it. This looks like the tube for the ball bearing in there that makes and breaks. So we got one connection that goes through this corrosion area here, through the light, comes back around on this side, makes contact with this side of this tube, and then comes over, goes through the ball bearing, comes to this side, comes in here, and then comes out the other side over here. Real basic circuit there. Let's take this light out of here and see if the light's good. It's just kind of spring loaded, it looks like. So we'll just pull this off here, slip it off the other side there. That's all it does there. Just 2 hooks on both sides. Alright, we'll put it on the beep and see if it beeps. That'll tell us if it's good or bad, right? Provided my meter beeps. Is my meter going to beep? Okay, there we go. My flaky meter. Okay, so the light bulb must be good. So, because we got a beep going through the light bulb. So it must be something else going on here. So let's see if we got, let me just take one of these, let's take one of these things here. We'll clip it on this first one here. And I'll touch this. I got it connected to the first pin in there, which is this one right here. And I was just trying to connect it. Doesn't seem like I'm getting anything there, am I? Maybe the corrosion ate right through it. Oh, there's a little something. Well, maybe it just needs to be cleaned. I can get it sometimes. Might just need a clean job. Let's try the other one. Put it on the other one now. See if we get something over here. Nothing over there. We'll see about back here. Shouldn't matter if I tip it or not. This side should still get a contact. That gets a contact. Go on this side. Oh, maybe my clip here is acting up. Of course that could be, well, that don't look very good, does it? Alright, got my clip on there. Sounds like a train going down my street. Just a little tiny S10 truck has a train horn in his truck. Wake you up in the middle of the night. So that doesn't seem like it's getting a good connection either. But it is there. So going through here, it seems like it loses its connection. So it looks like we just got some bad connections. So I'm going to take this and clean it up a little bit first and see what's going on. Get all this corrosion off here and see if we can get a closer look at this. Alright, well, it looks about as clean as I can get the contact areas. I didn't see anything major wrong. I mean, it's just besides just a little corroded, but it doesn't, I don't see anything that would cause it not to work. So let's just put this back together and see what's going on here. Maybe that's just all it needed was a good cleaning. Hopefully. What would I do with this one right here? I'll put this crappy end over here by the clip there. Alright, let's give it some power. 10 volts. Ah. There we go. Look at that. I guess that's all I needed was some love and attention. Cleaned up all the contact areas that the electricity needs to be hitting up against. You can hear it. Alright, so that's good. Ball bearing hits back and forth the way it's supposed to. Turns on and off the way it's supposed to. Perfect. Can't argue with that. Alright. Can't beat that. Easy fix. Just a little cleaning. Alright. We'll see you on the next one.